$20 for Garrett to throw the door pin in the pool. So
get the fuck out of here! Mind your own fucking business! You touch my goddamn shit, I'm gonna fucking sue the shit out of all
You relax.
Get the fuck.
Harry,
Fuck you!
you gotta relax.
Harry,
you gotta relax.
The Perry Project.
Are you gonna fucking fix my phone or are you gonna break my phone?
Harry, you gotta relax.
Where's my fucking
It's in
phone?
my pocket. Stay. My pocket.
How in the fuck is this stupid bullshit gonna fix my goddamn phone?
Barry, have you ever seen on the internet when a phone's wet, they put rice in there? You ever seen that?
Yeah, but that doesn't
says
mean you're
two-
gonna fix my phone.
2 tablespoons of rice. Okay. About 2 tablespoons. All right. Want some rice?
No!
I'm just gonna set it here.
No!
Set it here.
No!
Just set it there.
Why are you not taking it off of me?
Just set it there. That'll make sure you don't move. You're like a ninja, Perry. Okay.
I can't stand you! I want you guys out of my goddamn fucking house!
Perry,
You sons of bitches!
please relax, Perry.
We would have been gone by
You
now.
would have been gone. We'll be out of here, Perry.
You keep making a fuss.
I want my
busted out of
phone
there already.
fixed. I demand my phone
Okay.
fixed.
Just relax. Please. Just calm down. All right, so 2 capfuls of NyQuil.
What in the fuck?
1.
That's not gonna fix my phone. If you put my phone in that, you're gonna total it.
Perry,
My phone will be no more.
It'll be fine.
You'll destroy my phone if you put my phone in anything liquid.
2.5 liters of water.
It will destroy my phone if it's in any fucking
You gotta
liquid. You will destroy my goddamn phone,
Hey,
and
stop!
I will fucking have you fucking.
Hey, hey,
I will
stop.
fucking sue the shit out of you.
No,
You
you
son
gotta
of a
relax.
bitch.
You gotta
gotta
relax.
relax.
I will sue the fucking shit out of you.
Can I use
You
this water?
motherfuckers.
You gotta relax. How do you even know the phone's going in there?
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? You son of a bitch!
Relax.
No! Get out!
All right.
Get the fucking shit off of me!
Perry, you gotta get nervous. All right, I'm gonna blend this,
Fucking
man.
shit off of me!
Harry, relax, man.
Fuck you! Fuck all of you!
You gotta relax.
Perry, stop. Perry, you gotta stop.
Fuck all of you!
Harry, no. Relax.
Ah!
Perry,
Get out of here! Get me the fuck out of here!
Okay.
You motherfucker! Both of you!
Okay.
Why are you freaking out?
You got his hands ready.
Get me the fuck out of here!
Hey,
Perry,
stop,
Perry,
stop.
Perry,
Hey,
Perry,
stop.
Perry.
Why are you
that's not
kicking
nice.
me?
Look, you just made a mess, Perry.
Stop that shit!
You want your phone fixed?
Perry, calm down. Perry, calm down.
Wait my life!
Can you get his arm, please? Can you get his arm?
Here, Perry, stop. You gotta calm down.
Fuck!
Perry, you gotta calm down.
Get me the fuck
Perry, you gotta
out
calm
of
down.
this
All right, let's go.
fucking
All right, I
bullshit!
want the phone.
All right, you want the phone fixed?
You did
Perry,
a fucking-
stop. It's only for 5 minutes, Perry. Seriously, stop.
That's 5 minutes yet. Here, let me help you. Can I help you?
Fuck out of this.
All right.
Get me the fuck out of this.
You okay?
Son of a bitch! You fucked me! You fucking me!
You want some more money? Can I give you
What?
some more money? Can I give you the phone?
I know, you basically got $100 to get tied to a chair.
Perry, that was great.
And you're complaining about it.
And you're gonna get a lot more, Perry. We got a lot of. Tom, how much is this one?
Can I shop back
Oh,
twice
Jesus.
up?
Perry, sit down, please.
I think he's got to piss.
Turn the back on.
All right, be careful there, Sam. Be careful.
All right, Garrett. See you later, buddy.
All right.
Where'd they fucking go?
I know, Perry, can you sit down?
Where'd they fucking go? And where's my phone? Okay, yeah, here's my phone broken. Here's my phone fucking broken.
Can you sit down?
And my SIM card is fucking gone. You son of a bitch! Where the fuck are you, you motherfucker? Oh no, there it is.
Perry, can you sit down and stop acting like a lunatic, please? Sit down.
Where are they? Where the fuck did they go?
I don't know. They left because you're acting like an animal. But if you act like a gentleman, they'll probably come back.
Act like a gentleman?
Yes, can you sit down?
Knife.
Can you sit down?
Stole my knife.
Nobody stole your
My
knife.
apartment a fucking wreck.
Perry, I need you
Damn it.
to sit down, Perry.
Jesus Christ.
You know, Perry, why don't you check the mixture, because I had a step.
Phone fucking destroyed.
Where?
In the blender, totaled. Done, gone, no good. Piece of shit. Destroyed. He owes me $1,000 phone now. That motherfucker destroyed my fucking phone, that son of a bitch!
Perry, can you show the blender?
Right fucking here.
What's
Okay,
that? I
there's
hear.
a phone in this motherfucker.